Hi there and welcome to a new MT2 Trading Platform tutorial video. Today I will introduce the OTC over-the-counter plugin that our platform offers. This plugin will help you trade automatically on IQ Options OTC markets on weekends using MT2 Trading and MT2 4/5 platform. To start, head to MT2 Trading Platform and log in to your IQ Options account. It is very important that you do so. If you do not log into your account, the OTC market price will not upload your MT2 4/5 platform. Once there, head to the settings window and allow OTC trading by clicking on the Allow OTC Trading checkbox and then clicking on the OK button as shown on the screen. The next step will be to open your preferred MT2 4/5 platform and then heading over to the toolbar on the top and clicking on Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, Allow DLL imports, then the checkbox, then click on the OK button. Once DLL imports are allowed, head over to the left menu of the MT2 platform and open any chart, as shown on the screen. Now, go over to your navigator on the left-hand side of your MT2 platform, locate the MT2 IQ OTC plugin, and simply drag it into your chart and click on the OK button. As you can see on screen, the OTC plugin becomes visible, and at this point you can choose between all of the possible OTC markets to trade on. By clicking on any of the options on the list or plugin interface, a window called Open Offline Chart will pop up, where you will see a list of the available OTC markets. Scroll through the list, choose your desired market and click on the Open button as shown on the screen. The OTC market price has been successfully loaded into your MT2 4/5 platform, and you can now customize your chart according to your preferences. At this point, you can trade both automatically or manually on your IQ options through MT2 Trading, allowing the auto connector or manual connector, both found in the MT2 Trading Platform download files. I'll now attach the manual connector to the OTC chart and place a call trade as an example. As you can see, the trade has gone through successfully from MT2 Platform to IQ Options, as is now being displayed on the MT2 Trading Platform trades table. I hope that you find this tutorial useful for your weekend's trading. Kind regards and happy trading from the MT2 team.